Can't talk about them.
I'm gonna clickbait you
Outfits wise.
I literally just like forgot to eat. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is, I'm like so out of breath from literally running up the stairs. Today is Saturday, it's November 23rd, and I leave tomorrow morning for Hawaii. I'm so excited. My family's going for Thanksgiving. We're going to Oahu. My uncle lives there and he has this incredible house on the beach. It's beyond, it's seriously insane. But I have so much to do today. My friend's coming over to pick me up because we're gonna go get bagels together, and then I'm gonna come back here and I'll read you guys my to-do list. Thankfully I was able to get my nails done yesterday, so I've knocked that out already. Here they are. I just got French tips and white polish on my toes because I swear I have not gotten a pedicure in literally what feels like an entire year, because I broke my toe in January and then I had like, this is so disgusting too, like ingrown toenails from my cheer shoes. It was this whole thing. If you guys have watched my vlogs consistently, you know what I'm talking about. But I need to edit a bunch of stuff that way I can have it all ready to go for when I leave. I have to better watch football. I have to edit a good chunk of 2 different secret projects that I've been working on. One of them since June and the other one since January, and they're all coming out at the very end of December, and I am so excited, you guys. I've been working on these for so long. I can't wait to show you guys. So I have to work on those 2 things. I can't talk about them because they're top secret. But I want to get this vlog completely edited today. I have to pack completely for Hawaii. I just have a pile of clothes that I've taken from my closet. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. All of that, which really stresses me out because I'm so neurotic about packing, and I have to have enough outfits and everything. It stresses me out, but I've literally put it off till the last day. And then I have to shave my legs because it's like Chewbacca status up in here. I have not shaved my legs for forever because I haven't had any football games, so I haven't had to wear my cheer stuff, and it's been really cold. So that's what's going on today. That was a lot, a very long intro. Emily's gonna be here soon so we can get some bagels.
A few moments later.
I'm Emily. I don't know if you guys know me. This is my dog. His name's Oso.
Derek, you wanna be the vlog?
Oso likes to take poops once in a while in Emily's room.
I discovered I need to change my camera angles when I'm vlogging for Katie because like
In the vlog, I look terrible.
I always have double chins, and I'm like, no, Emily, stop holding the camera down there.
Okay, we got some coffee and I came to the beach to watch the surfers. There's I think like a surf competition or something going on. It's such a pretty day, and we're gonna stay here for a little bit and then we'll go back and get some bagels. Okay, it is a little later. It's now 11:40. My hair looks like a total mess, but I'm gonna like rapid fire edit a bunch of stuff right now, see what I can get done, and then I need to go to Target to get a couple last minute things for this trip. What is on my face? I don't know what that is, but that's the plan for now, and then I really need to get to packing and everything else that I mentioned earlier. There's like people all around. It's really crowded here. People are like doing Thanksgiving shopping probably. So I feel really awkward. But I got Aquaphor for my lips because I ran out, and gotta go. Alright, update. It's now almost 1:30 p.m. I'm back home from Target. Usually I don't get weird vlogging in public, but I think I filmed like 1 or 2 clips of me just whispering very awkwardly. Really cute. But now it's time for probably what a lot of you came to this video for: packing. Here's the situation. Last week I just took a bunch of stuff out of my closet and put it in a pile over here next to my suitcase of things I wanted to bring, and this is all. Here it is. I have so much stuff that I have to go through. I'm gonna put together like specific outfits and whatever. Oh, and also a couple of you guys asked me if I was gonna vlog there. I am. I'm probably gonna vlog mostly everything. I might not vlog like 1 or 2 days here and there, but yes, I am gonna vlog while I'm there. I'm super excited. So that's what's up. This lighting is really good this time of day. I should keep that in mind because I film at the worst times ever, but it's time. I should take a thumbnail. Also, I have to pack all of my camera equipment and everything like that so I can get pictures and all that good stuff. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna clickbait you by adding this big suitcase. I'm really only taking this one because I'm not packing like coats or anything. It's just like swimsuits and light stuff, but we gotta really make this look legit for the thumbnail. Okay, now for the real thing.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat.
Okay, update. We are making some very solid progress. It's only been like 10 minutes and I have all of this already. What I'm doing, and I do this anytime I go on a vacation or a trip anywhere, is I will lay out my outfits and then I take a picture of all of them. That way I know if I see a certain shirt and I'm like, oh, I want to wear that, like what bottom should I wear? I already have the outfit picked out and I can just go into my camera roll and find the pictures. So I'm gonna take a photo of all these, try to get them in here, and I want everything to fit in my small suitcase. That's the goal. That way no bags have to be checked, nor do I have to pay for them to be checked. And I don't have the risk of losing my luggage. Because as you know, if I'm this paranoid about this, obviously I'm paranoid about losing my luggage. So that's that so far. Also, I have sunglasses and a bag, and it's just, everything's just a mess at the moment, but we are making progress.
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall.
Okay, more progress has been made. I'm putting together little workout-ish outfits that I can wear if we go on a hike. So I have this outfit with these shorts, and then this like sports bra slash top kind of thing, and this tank top with regular leggings, and then I have running shoes slash athletic shoes. I don't really know what they are. Also this hat, kind of pointless, but I want to bring it just in case. So I'm gonna pack all of these in here. This is what I got going on so far. And then I just need to pack a couple other outfits, pajamas, all my camera equipment, toiletries, my carry-on. So there's still a lot to do, but I feel like I have gotten, honestly, probably like only a third of the way done with everything I have to do packing wise. Alright, it is now 4:30 p.m. I took like an hour-long break from packing. Honestly, it was like 45 minutes to an hour. I don't know exactly how long, but I just like sat on my phone and did nothing. So anyway, this is where I've gotten. I have this bag pretty much all packed. I have my hydro flask in here, this purse, which I love, and I actually put some pajamas in there in order for everything to fit in here because it's pretty big and it could fit a decent amount of stuff. But I have this dress, all my pajamas, shoes, bras and underwear are in here, and then this is where everything else is. So I have all this laying on top, but I'll just put it back afterward. I don't really care. This is where everything outfits wise is. And then I brought one pair of jeans just in case there's like some weird cold night, anything like that. Even though I have leggings just in case something like unexpectedly comes about and I need jeans. I have some. So that is pretty much it for my big suitcase. I'm gonna close this up soon. Oh shoot, I should probably buckle these. 1 second. And boom. And now I need to tackle all of this. So this is pretty much everything aside from my toiletries that's gonna go in one of these bags. So that's the bag for all my camera stuff. And then in here, I'm gonna put my laptop, wallet, all those little other important things. These are all my memory cards. I need to go through those and figure out if I need to bring all of them. The GoPro, this is a thing that is super helpful. If you're like me and you bring a lot of like equipment when you go places, I need to organize all my cords into it, but it holds all your cords and little electronic things. I got my snacks. So this is like the most important part. I am obsessed with these chocolate covered almonds. They're so good. Got some goldfish, some applesauce, just the necessities, more camera stuff. I have 3 pairs of sunglasses. 2 are in there and 1's in there, and just a bunch of other stuff. I know I'm forgetting things in here, but I'm gonna remember hopefully as I go. So once I finish all this, all that will be left is my toiletries and we'll be good to go. Alright, it is a little later now and I'm finally done packing aside from my toiletries. I'll show you guys really fast what's in here. My angelic siblings are bringing home food. Also, FYI, I changed some settings on my camera and I feel like it's a lot more clear now, and when I move around, it's not foggy or choppy. So let me know in the comments if you guys see anything different. I feel like I do, but I might just be like picking it apart too much. Anyway, I'm just gonna set you on my suitcase. So I have my laptop in here, which I'll need to get out later because I'm gonna edit this vlog completely and work on other things. Snacks, chargers, sunglasses, whatever.
This isn't really very interesting, but in here, this is what it looks like. I have my GoPro and oh my gosh. I wrapped it in a sock so the lens didn't get scratched. Oh gosh. One sec, I have to go help Karen food. Got my food. I'm so happy. I haven't eaten anything since this morning when I had my bagel. I literally just like forgot to eat lunch. God bless. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I was talking about this. I have my sock wrapped GoPro, one of my camera lenses, my big camera that has my other lens on it, and this is a little concerning. I don't have a lens cap for that because I lost it by accident. I meant to order a new one before I left because I didn't want to damage the lens, but I didn't. But it is what it is. And then I have this thing, which is literally my saving grace. I have chargers and adapters in here. My memory cards and a little lens cappy thing for the back of a lens is in here, and then I have this wipe for my cameras, 2 cords, one's for the GoPro and then one's for my portable charger. Anyway, that's that. I'm probably just gonna do a time lapse of me packing my toiletries, take a shower, and then that will be the end of this vlog. So anyway, okay, I'm rambling on, but that is that for now. I'm gonna go eat my sandwich and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, update guys, it is now a lot later. I actually watched a movie and wasted a bunch of time, so it's really late, but I have all my toiletries packed in here. This is my flat iron. I'm just gonna put it in here in like 5 seconds, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to go take a shower and shave my legs and then get ready for bed because I need to go to bed ASAP. That way I can get out of sleep and not be grumpy tomorrow because I obviously don't do well on lack of sleep, and I've seriously gotten no sleep like literally the past 2 months because of school and everything I've committed to. I just don't get enough sleep and it's really catching up to me. So that's the plan. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Hope you're excited for the Hawaii vlogs coming soon. I can't wait to film them. Also, go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. My username is @MissKatie with an extra S after Miss. It's down below in the description box. I'm gonna be posting a ton of pictures and Instagram stories on there, so subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in Hawaii. Bye guys.